Heavy rains hit Belgium again today, 24th of July. The city of Dinant in the province of Namur was particularly affected. At about 8 o'clock in the evening, the sky opened up, and a huge amount of water poured onto the city. The amount of water that fell out in a short period of time was impressive, local police said. In some places, more than 50 liters of water per square meter have already fallen. All of this is reminiscent of the catastrophe that happened a week ago. The streets are flooded, cars are floating, and in houses the water reaches half a meter or more. The damage is especially severe in the area of the train station and the regional road to Philippeville. The fire department does not have time to answer all incoming calls. The Belgium Meteorological Service issued an orange code due to a severe thunderstorm.